how the COVID situation is emerging in South Asia as well as India. If you see the total number of cases as far as India and Bangladesh are concerned, there are continue to be a rise in the number of cases, which I have highlighted to you on slide number 48, and the number of cases in these two countries are rising. Number of cases in Nepal also rising. Number of cases in Myanmar are not are stable, but number of cases in Maldives are rising. So I think four countries, India and Bangladesh, are rising very quickly, but in Maldives and Nepal in gradual manner. Pakistan able to control the rise in the COVID cases. Sri Lanka also has been able to control the rise of the cases. So that is something which has emerged as far as the South Asian region is concerned. Coming specifically on to India, now you find that as far as India is concerned, though there has been a very much rising number of cases in the last 1 week, the rise has been daily almost 60,000 plus, which is a huge number, and India is now seeing the largest number of cases on a daily basis increase, and higher than even Brazil and the United States, though India total cases are much lower than the United States. But on the whole, you'll find that there has been progress in the recovery. And if you go back 2 weeks back, when we discussed the same issue, the recovery side, all states were almost showing red. But in this week, we find that all states are showing blue. That means there is an improvement as far as the COVID-19 recovery is concerned in India, and that is where I think there is some positive degree, positiveness is shown, and number of active cases has also gone down. So that is another positive sign which is coming up, because as the total case is increasing, but the recovery rate is improving, so it is compensated and active cases are therefore reducing. That is the indication we get as far as India is concerned. So to summarize the India situation, the COVID situation, I would say that it continues, of course, to remain a major concern. The Prime Minister has identified, in fact, in the speech yesterday, that 10 states are having major spreaders of the COVID, like for example Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The metros are a major concern. Some of the rural areas are also getting impacted, and the problem is, as far as rural area is concerned, is that in case the increase in number of cases, hospital facilities will not be available in this. And another challenge coming up is the dengue. Now, as far as the monsoon season goes, dengue is prevalent, and monsoon is now in the peak. So dengue and spread of malaria is something which is going to be of concern, and that is what is likely to add to the problems coming from the COVID. So that is where we end the summary of COVID in South Asia as well as in India.